What is the Eucharist? For some, it is a strange tradition of Catholics. For others, a piece of white wafer without any taste. For yet others, a duty. For some, the highlight of the Holy Mass. But the Eucharist is not something, but someone. The living Jesus hidden in the forms of bread and wine, here fully and most powerfully present. Jesus Christ, who wants to be so close to us that He even wants us to receive His body in our body. Jesus, in the Eucharist, is here not only for my personal spirituality, instead always leads to the building of community and to service.